morning. Welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. So I have my coffee and I hope you do too. It's Monday morning and let me tell you, it's been a Monday morning. So let's get started for the week. I did some things this weekend, but I didn't get a whole lot done that I wanted to do because I spent my whole entire weekend almost cleaning carpets in my house because not only was my hand hurt last week, my dog was sick last week. So yeah, I had to clean carpets a lot. But I did get some things done and I will be so excited to show them to you. So today I have a promo video coming out for an exciting new hop that I am doing with a bunch of wonderful ladies, and I will share all the details with you with that later on today. And tomorrow I have a Dollar Tree Tuesday video coming out, and in a small cute little haul, found some new things and I'm excited to share those with you. And then on Wednesday is our color combo challenge that I started with Gareth Frewer over a year ago that we do every single month. We used to do it on the first Monday of every month, and now we changed it to the first Wednesday of every month. And we have some other people joining us, and I'm so excited about that. Now, unfortunately, Gareth is not going to be able to be with us for a while. If you're a member of his Facebook group, you guys know what's going on with him. So please keep him in your thoughts and prayers. And if you're not, head on over to Facebook, join his group, and join his channel too. He really needs our support right now. And, I'm just asking you guys to stay there with him and be patient and keep watching the community setting because he's going to be posting updates and things on that setting. And let's see. Also on Wednesday, I hope that I will have a Valentine's DIY for you. I started it on a live a couple of weeks ago, and I did not finish it, and I'm hoping to get that finished for you this week. Now, because I'm doing a card on Wednesday for our color combo challenge, I will not be doing one on Thursday. But I do have a DIY for you on Thursday, a little spring wreath that I'm doing. And it's quite different. So you'll make sure you come back and watch for that. Also, on Friday, I am going to have a keto living video for you. And I'm also going to have a video about my health regimen and my oils and things. So many people have asked me for that, and I keep promising to do it. I've just felt a little uncomfortable doing it, but I've gone ahead and I filmed that, and that will be out on Friday for you. So, now let's get down to some business. A couple of weeks ago, I did my Dollar Tree haul, and I showed you these awesome lamps that I got. And these things are so cool, and they light up so much for $1. They're just awesome. And I have one of the desk lamps over here that I use all the time, and it's really bright. And so I said I was going to give one away. I have a white one to give away and a black one to give away, the little table lamps. So my question is to you, where would you use this little lamp in your house? Let me know. I told you I was going to give it away a couple weeks ago, and I just never got a chance to incorporate it in any of my videos yet. So please, if you want to win one of the lamps, let me know how you would use it. And then the second thing I want to talk to you about, I have hit 2,000 subscribers. I'm so happy and I'm so blessed with that. And thank you all for joining me. And thank you all who have been with my channel for quite a long time and supporting me. It means the world to me. So I will also be out, I don't know what day this week, with a little giveaway connected to hitting 2,000 subscribers. So I think that is all I have this morning. I know it's kind of a short little Monday morning coffee, but I have a child here waiting to do a test, and he's so excited about it. Not. But anyway, thank you all for joining me this morning. If you want a chance to win the lamp, please make sure you answer that question. What would you do with it in your home? And don't forget to check back this week for all my videos. And I guess I will see you all later. And have a wonderful week. God bless. See you soon. Bye.